Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the middle of the biggest snowstorm of the year, potentially, and we got the X-Drive. Oh, this thing's insane. This is awesome. I've never had a car that can grip up in the snow. Shit, boy! Let's go have some fun. I don't like all-wheel drive drifting. Oh, we just hit something. Just hit a little snowbank. Let's get on our merry way. I gotta get myself to a big open parking lot. We're gold. Okay, this guy's on a bike. Shit, the salt truck. Get in front of the plow truck. One of the only people in the world who wants to do that. Gotta watch out for the guy on the bike. Yeah. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's almost me. Now, always my biggest problem with snowstorms is the people around me driving their cars. Not so worried about my driving abilities, even though I couldn't go more than 2 miles without hitting a snowbank. But yeah, it's the people around me that might fail to hit their brakes or something that I'm worried about. This guy, he's throwing mucus. Oh, he's slipping at me. See what I'm saying? See, you just gotta man up on the wheel a little bit. You can get through this. Bro's driving his tractor today. I'm following the tractor. That's a lot of snow. We're plowing. That tractor I was behind's over there starting to plow this parking lot we're drifting in, so get a few exterior runs for you guys real quick. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, fuck, man. It's my new wires. Everything that was in my backseat soaked. Put it on the ground. Really just deleted my picture. Now, if you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you do so down below. You'll be able to see my stories, know what videos are coming out before I post them, all things like that. getting hot. She's getting hot. Wee. Oh. Damn. That was crazy, bro. That was crazy. Women be like, ah! I'm genuinely impressed with this for a slammed, lowered BMW coupe. I didn't really have any issues in that parking lot. That had to be at least 8 inches of snow. Everyone's out here complaining how bad the roads are, this and that. I mean, yeah, they are pretty bad. I did almost crash at least 2 or 3 times, and that last one right there, that was pretty fucking sketchers. Let's just take a moment right now. Let's see what's going on over here. This person is stuck in what appears to be 25% of the snow that I was just driving in. That should put into perspective the all-wheel drive system on this car. I'm sure that the Audi Quattro system might be better. I'm sure someone in the comments is gonna yap up a storm about that, but BMW kind of knows what they're doing. That was a pretty good first snowy parking lot session for the 335xi, I would say. Underbody seems to be intact still as well. Nice.
Feeling like I ain't a boss, feeling like I ain't a baller. I can't complain. Shawty, she been in a lot. Shawty, she lost in the sauce. She on a plane. I just get brain and get guap. I just get brain and get guap. This life is insane. This life is a dream and I like. This shit I like it a lot. I see through the pain. This life is a dream and I like. This shit I like.